and trade missions offer an opportunity to understand the real pulse of a specific market. You can answer questions such as, does my product or service have a chance in this market? What are my competitors doing? And also, what are the price of similar products in the market?
I'm Brett Heimberger. I'm the Director of the International Trade and Diplomacy Office for the Utah Governor's Office of Economic Development. We're thrilled to be back in Mexico. I'm here with a great group of Utah companies. Mexico has become an increasingly important market for Utah firms to develop commercial opportunities with organizations and Mexican counterparts.
Ya escogió a México para su primera expansión internacional porque tenía un buen sentido de negocios. Con la segunda población más grande en Latinoamérica, una economía saludable, una fuerte infraestructura de Internet y las leyes de telecom que recientemente han sido revisadas. México es una selección natural para las comunicaciones de alta tecnología revolucionaria para los negocios tales como Jive.
Bueno, estamos muy contentos por tener a la delegación de Utah aquí. Con Utah tenemos muchas similitudes entre Jalisco y Utah. Por ejemplo, todo el tema de innovación, de la tecnología, de la creatividad. Así como en Utah inició con todo el contenido para Pixar, ¿sí? Aquí también tenemos la ciudad creativa digital, ¿no? Así como hay compañías que tienen mucha tecnología e innovación en Utah, aquí tenemos el Silicon Valley mexicano.
In addition, you can find out what are the regulatory requirements that you may have to comply with, and you can do this very quickly by attending a trade show or a trade mission, because it gets you in front of the right people and the right contacts.
So we've never done any business in Mexico before, so we're here to search out opportunities with distributors and vendors. There's a lot of great chains down here. We think that our product will be perfect for the Mexican market.
The market here is great. There's lots of retailers like we have in the US, and so we're just trying to figure out how we can position ourselves to do well in Mexico. And probably the most important thing to realize is that there's a huge demand for these products that were designed in the US here, and we just need to find ways to position it well so that the Mexican consumer can see that, oh, okay, this is what we were looking for. So it's really not that hard to do, but if you take some time to come and meet with these customers, it's easy to position yourself for success.
We have been able to make contact with multiple distributors, multiple buyers of large grocery chains. The result has been much greater than we expected it to be. We've got a lot of work to do after coming to the show.
It's been incredible. Shipping times are much less and much cheaper with their rates coming to Mexico than other places, especially anywhere else international if it's a new market, and the people have been amazing.
I would say if you haven't been here, you need to come and check it out. I think there's so much opportunity here if you want to do business in Mexico.
I've been surprised. I was pretty ignorant, and this has been wonderful. I've loved it.
The U.S. Small Business Administration funded this program with the state of Utah as well as 40 other U.S. states to incentivize U.S. small businesses to increase their exports. The full purpose of this program is obviously to help stabilize some of our industries and create U.S. jobs.
Working with the Governor's Office of Economic Development, Trade and Diplomacy Office helps Utah companies identify business opportunities abroad. I encourage you to grow your business and export. I hope to see you in Mexico soon.